Hi everyone, this is Kelsey at OwlHQ. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use tabs in Windows 11 File Explorer. File Explorer tabs were introduced in a 2022 Windows 11 update. They act much like tabs in an internet browser, and they're a really handy way of moving files between folders or accessing files in various locations without needing multiple windows of File Explorer open. As you can see, I have File Explorer open already to Documents. Let's say there's a picture I need to look at, but I'm also not done with what I'm doing in Documents. To open a new File Explorer tab, click the plus sign at the top of the window. The new tab will open, and now I can navigate to the Pictures folder. You can also right-click on a folder, and then left-click Open in New Tab to achieve the same thing. With multiple tabs open, you can move files and folders between locations. For example, let's say I want to move this picture to the Documents folder. Drag the picture to the Documents tab, and then let go of the picture in the main area of File Explorer. As you can see, the picture moved, and I can do the same thing to move it back to its original location. You can also drag File Explorer tabs to open the tab in a separate window. Drag the tab back to the other File Explorer window to combine the windows again. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.